Hello everybody, we start from unity3d.com webpage where we can download game engine. Click Get Unity 5 button, choose Personal Edition and click Free Download. You can change the platform if you need, I will keep Windows. For today, current stable version is 5.3.1. Later, if you want, you can download some additional resources. For now, just click Download Installer and use it to install Unity. This may take a while. Run Unity 5. We see example project. Just click New, then name your project and choose location. We leave free the option and click Create Project. Simple, right? And we have our game engine window. I will create new folder for future scripts. Right mouse button click. Create new C# script and name it Explain. Now double click on it or just click Open. We should have MonoDevelop script editor installed with Unity. Now I will explain just one core detail about how game actually program works. Just to better understand what we are doing, don't worry about coding for now. So this is MonoDevelop Editor. This is our recently created script explain and Unity auto-generate explain class for you. Same as file name and inheritance from MonoBehavior class. And you see start and update function. Programs are executing line of code line after line. First, second, third, and so on, and then the job is done. So why game window don't disappear after these operations? Code is executing in loop until we quit. In programming, we have instructions like, for example, while loop. Code in car braces is executing until true doesn't change to false. For practice, let's create variable I and assign it to 1. Now, loop will execute code until variable I don't change to something bigger or equal than 2. In loop, we can catch keyboard input or mouse input and calculate each frame of our game. Hope you heard about Magic FPS, which consoles and PC gamers argue about the right value, 30 or 60. And probably the 60 is better value. But for now, what is this FPS mean? The FPS is shortcut for frame per second, so it tells you how many times all code in your loop is executing per 1 second. If you go down below 24 frames per second, then actually you will see a set of single frames or pictures rather than smooth animation. But we don't need to write on while loop because update function is something like that. So all code which you write in this function will be executing each frame of your game. There will be more scripts later, and of course there is a game engine code which we don't see. But for now, don't worry about efficiency. Look at the top. The circle mean we do some changes, so save it and circle disappear. And that's all. If you have any question, go ahead and ask in comments. But don't worry about coding. For now, we are back to Unity window.